A long time ago, there were two friends who were also merchant. They were preparing for business trip to sell their things. They needed to decide if they should travel together or separately. They both had lot of carts, about 500 each, and they were going to the same place on the same road. They thought it would be too crowded to go at the same time. One friend thought it would be better to go first. He believed it would be easier for his animal to find good grass and he could get the best fruit and vegetable to sell. He also thought people would like his leadership and he could negotiate better prices. The other friend thought carefully. He saw advantages in going second. He figured his friend's carts would make the road better and his animal could eat the rough grass, leaving fresh grass for his. He thought they could also get fresh fruit and vegetable without haggling over prices. So they agreed to let the first friend to go first. He thought he had outmastered his friend and started the journey. But he ran into trouble. They reached the place called the waterless desert, which locals said was haunted by demons. In the middle of it, they meet the group of strange looking people with mud covered cart and water lilies. These people told them to throw away their water because there was an oasis ahead. The merchant believed them and dumped all their water. As they continued, they found no oasis, and some realized they had been fooled by these demon-like beings. At night, the demon returned and ate everyone. Months later, the second merchant started his journey along the same route. He warned the group about the dangerous waterless desert and told them not to drink local water without asking him. Halfway through, they met the same water-soaked demons who told them to throw away their water. But the wise merchant saw through their trick. He knew there could not be any oasis in the place called the waterless desert. He also noticed their strange behavior and suspected they might be demons. He told his group not to trust him until they found real water. They reached the place where the first group had been killed by demons and took valuable things left behind. So finally they finished their journey and successfully returned home safely. So friends, we should always be careful about our decision making. Don't make any quick decision while you are too happy, too sad, or doing a competition with others. The correct way of thinking is always focuses on three areas. First, focusing on how to think, not what to think. Second, focus on critical thinking with both sides of the coin. And the third is play as a strategic mindset. Thank you for watching. Stay happy.